Today we're going to announce the winner of the CAIG Mega Pack. It's about time to get some outdoor speakers. Parts Express not only has a large variety of products that can turn your outdoors into your next big entertainment space, but we have the videos and instructional pages that can walk you through the whole process. Take a look and see if anything adds a spring to your step. Speaking of spring, we just launched our new flyer, which will show you all the latest and greatest gear in all categories of products we sell. Not only can you look at it online, but you can also sign up to have them mailed directly to your home so you can flip through a physical version, which is always nice to grab if you've got a little bit of downtime. If you're watching this, there's a good chance you have been aware of Parts Express for some time, but perhaps you don't actually know that much about us. We recently updated our website to let you know a little bit more about who we are as a company, including our team and commitment to community. But now, let's get to that giveaway. Thanks to CAIG, we were able to put together a giveaway package that consisted of 4 6.5-inch full-range drivers and 2 1-inch tweeter pairs. We pulled the winner, and that person is Kurt H. from Baldwin, Missouri. Hey, congratulations, Kurt. We'll be in touch soon. This month, we will have 2 winners because CAIG is offering up 2 packages of their survival kits. To learn all the details and sign up, head over to our giveaway page now. Good luck to all who enter, and we'll see you next month.